One of the many benefits of working from home is when you're sick, you don't gotta go anywhere. You don't have somebody calling you going, oh, well, you really need to come in. You don't have to be calling somebody and going, I'm on my deathbed, I can't come in. You're just home. Because I mean, one of those weird things about businesses and bosses and that kind of gunk that I've never understood is, why would you go in when you're sick anyway? All you're doing is spreading it around so everybody else can get sick and then everybody else can call off. Isn't it better that you stay home and get well and then come back and everybody's as happy as you're gonna get working a 9 to 5? So yeah, I've got a cold. I'm just convinced I got a cold. It's just in my throat, and it just sounds weird, and it's kind of getting a little difficult to swallow. But no head stuff, no chest stuff. Hopefully it won't move there. It'll just go away pretty soon. I got a big old cup of tea in my Microsoft mug. So anyway, just wanted to make this very quick vlog because I am not negating my responsibilities to you every single day, but I'm just going to take it easy today. I hope you have a wonderful day. Love you all. Talk to you later. Bye.